Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to do a DIY glowing Hydra facial at home using simple, affordable ingredients. A Hydra facial is one of the most popular skincare treatments at salons and spas. It deeply cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and gives your skin a radiant glow. But guess what?
You don't have to spend thousands at a clinic. You can achieve similar results at home.
So grab your ingredients, sit back, and let's start this spa-like facial right in your home. The first step of any facial is cleansing. Hydra facial focuses on deep cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser, or simply use coconut oil or olive oil. Massage it gently on your face for 2 minutes. This removes makeup, dirt, and excess oil. Next, wash your face with a gentle foaming cleanser. Aloe vera or cucumber-based cleansers work great. This double cleansing method ensures your skin is fresh and ready for the next steps. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and reveals fresh, glowing skin. You can create a natural exfoliator at home on a tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, a few drops of honey. Mix it into a smooth paste. Apply it to your face and massage in circular motions for 2-3 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. This step brightens skin and improves texture instantly. Now it's time to open up pores with steam. Heat some water in a bowl, lean over it, and cover your head with a towel. Steam your face for 5 minutes. This softens blackheads and whiteheads, making them easier to remove. If you have a blackhead remover tool, you can gently use it. But if not, don't worry. Just steaming alone helps unclog pores. Hydration is the heart of a Hydra facial. We'll prepare a natural hydrating mask, 2 tablespoons aloe vera, gel 1 teaspoon honey, few drops of rose water. Mix well and apply all over your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes. This mask deeply hydrates, soothes irritation, and gives your skin a healthy glow. A good massage improves blood circulation and skin elasticity. You can use aloe vera gel or a lightweight facial oil like almond or jojoba oil. Massage gently in upward strokes for 5 minutes. This step relaxes your skin, reduces puffiness, and gives a natural lift. Now it's time to lock in hydration. If you have a sheet mask, apply it for 10 minutes. If not, apply a homemade serum. Mix 1 teaspoon of glycerin with 2 teaspoons of rose water. This provides instant plumpness and radiance. Finally, finish your Hydra facial with a moisturizer. Choose one that suits your skin type, gel-based for oily skin and cream-based for dry skin. And if you're doing this facial during the day, never skip sunscreen. And that's it. You've just completed your DIY glowing Hydra facial at home. Your skin should feel soft, hydrated, and glowing. Try this facial once every 2 weeks for best results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and DIY beauty treatments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.